That's what I just finished, baby.
I'm stuck on you.
All right, guys, so I just finished setting up, wiping everything down. What I'm going to do now is pretty much epoxy prime inside the boxes, underneath, prime the front of these and flip them over. Right now I have, if you go to Walmart and you go to like the crafts section, they have these small little gem things or sticky backs. They're perfect to just give you a little bit off of the table and just the minimal amount of contact. So we're gonna epoxy prime this, let these dry, and Raptor line everything underneath inside the boxes, and maybe the outside of these, like not the outside but the inside of these. I'm not sure yet. It all depends on how that all goes. So pray with me. Alright guys, gloss black is on. Looks really good. We got one more coat on this back tailgate as well as the doors. Just flipped them over, but yeah, so we got gloss black, and then you can see I don't know if you can see it, but it's all Raptor lined inside, and then underneath it's Raptor lined. And then we got this. These are the 4 doors. And when he comes back, I'm gonna do the final like polish up and install the strobes and do pretty much everything we need to do to get it done. All right guys, we are working on getting all the wiring pretty much set up, cutting everything, making sure it's to length, and we're just gonna start wiring. I am keeping in mind that I have this 3-wire for the strobes, so what we're going to do is just pre-wire those so that when he comes back I don't have to try and get back here and, you know, go through hell pretty much to get all this ran. So this will just come right down and pretty much meet up here, and then it'll be ran to the cab. When he comes back, I'll just leave something like tangled up and loose right here, so that I can just get to it, run it, and be good. So I'm just basically cutting everything to fit, and I'm about ready to start wiring everything up. You can see the big reverse lights. You got that reverse light and this reverse light, and then you got the 2 stop turns on each side, and the trailer plug. It's the only place I can really put it because the box tube comes to like right here, and he doesn't want it hanging down, which I don't blame him. I like this better. Put in the license plate lights, and all the marker lights are in place. They're a little tight on the side, but no big deal. Other than that, looks really good, and we just got to cut out a piece for that to sort of like cover around that hole, and then put the strobe over it. All right guys, so we got the doors all on, the handles are installed. This side has the seals and the shock, so everything is good. Closes really nice. Same with this. I don't have the piece on it to let it just swing down, but you can see I have everything built, so when it comes back I'll do the final install of that, because I don't think he's using any of this. He's just pretty much towing. But yeah, this is all sealed up, good to go. And we're just gonna finish the other side. We got to do the seals, and we're gonna do all the electrical. I was gonna do that, but I ended up not realizing what time it is. Got everything zip tied up, wires all ran, everything is in place, looks really clean. We're leaving this here so that when he comes back to do the strobes, I can just unclip this zip tie and pretty much roll this out to where the switch is. But everything's looking good. Got the shocks in, seals are all on. Just have to wire up those real quick. And then we got the chains on. Kudos to him for helping me out. Then he's just putting the license plate bracket on, and then we made this so that pretty much the forklift can go up there and move side to side without scratching the paint or anything. But next step is to pretty much lift this up with the forklift and start mounting this. Alright guys, we got everything all wired up. As you can see, we tidied up in here. These are just for the strobes. When he comes back, we're going to do everything. And then we got this all done. All the marker lights are good. Looks really nice.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, yeah.
When I get done and shit, I'm like,
Everything looks good, and yeah, it'll be back to get polished up, and the strobes installed. Everything is pre-done like I showed you. But other than that, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.